Okay, so we are gonna film right now. We're gonna take off first. The battery's about 56% right now, but we're okay. So let's take off. And the drone, I'm putting it on sports mode, all right? Sports mode, you could go a little faster. Go a little faster, go higher. See how further we can go. We're a little bit going too crooked to the side, but it's okay. We're gonna go back here. Go back where I was because I don't want to lose it because it's a little windy today. So, but the good thing about it is that you can always find your way home because it has an H. Like I said, it's a little windy today. Off course a little bit. Go lower. Go lower. There you go. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Ooh, we're gonna go between his legs. Let's do that. It's a little windy, but we're gonna try. Too low. Gonna go lower. No, I can't go too low because then I tried. All right, let's take off again. We're at 44%. So let's take off. Taking off. I gotta fly against the sun because I can't see. Oh, this thing's fast. Here it comes. Here comes Speed Racer. Low, 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 go, go. Ah! Ooh, that's quick. If you let it go, it kind of hovers, even on safety mode. So the one thing I like about this, for beginners, is perfect. So if you guys want to film outside or do something like this, like I am doing, this is perfect for those beginners, those that don't know any drones. This is a perfect intro. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.